Morning. That Koali hike, 300 feet and a half mile. I was tired, so I came home and I kind of lazed around yesterday. So today we are doing Blue Ridge Parkway. It's a scenic byway. So yeah, getting the rig organized and ready to move. And then we're slithering from here in Cherokee all the way to Asheville, where we'll be sleeping. There's Biltmore Manor and Mount Mitchell are the two plans for that area. So yeah, let's get ready. Yeah, so we're just here for the ride. Oh, big girl. Finishing sheet. Undivided attention. Welcome to the start of Blue Ridge Parkway on a rainy day. Oh, you're all weird. Anyway, I hope it clears up so we can enjoy it, but the moody weather should give us quite an atmosphere. There's a lookout. So let's see what sort of things we can find on this parkway. We go 87 miles to Asheville. All right, 2,400 feet. Look at the moody weather. Looks like it's clearing up a little bit though. Fog makes it look so ominous for sure. Avoid when foggy. Interesting. I wonder why. I'm hoping we can get to that visitor center and then we'll just camp out. I think it's only supposed to do this for another hour. So I'm hoping we'll sneak there and wait it out. Welcome to Water Rock Knob Visitor Center. Look at this stunning view. I mean, so when we're traveling this way, you kind of get what you get. I'm optimistic that it's going to clear up. The lady at the visitor center is not. I suppose she might know better, but I'm optimistic. So, I mean, we got nothing but time today. This was our mission today. I had nothing else planned, so I think we're just gonna chill up here for an hour or so and just watch the fog and hope it clears up a little bit. Yeah. So, Water Rock Knob Overlook, 5820. Oh, it's starting to clear. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do it, you can do it. I want to see it at least for a minute. The other side. Look, that's the parkway. No wonder it's one of the prettiest scenic byways. Come on. I was grateful for those little glimpses that we got, but then it got thick again and it started raining. So we're staying in. I think we have about 2 hours left of the drive. So fingers crossed that we're going to see what we need to see. I mean, every pull out. Oh, it's thinking. You can't tell. It's thinking. It's thinking about clearing for us. Free balling today. Isn't it nice when the fog and the rain kind of stops? There you go. I need the wipers apparently. They're streaky streaks. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. So as we lower elevation, it's certainly starting to clear up. These are the mountains I hoped we'd find. And I can see sky move through the clouds, so that hour I think made a big difference in seeing some cool stuff. It's almost time to take the jacket off. Look at it. And I can't, I want to explain the smell. It must be one of these flowers. It's got this sweet aroma. Is that these things? Oh, it is those. Whatever these are. Those are they smell so sweet. Oh, that was the part of the road over there. That hour. Sometimes a good idea is just a good idea. Hi, kid. Are we at all surprised that the highest point is covered in fog? No, that's okay. 6053, the highest point on the Parkway. Did not know we'd be passing. Yeah. So we're making along. A mountain building from erosion. Okay, fair enough. Let's talk about that one there. Oh, it's Looking Glass Rock. Granite model reflects both the mountains. Oh, reflects mountain building and destruction process of avalanche creation. But the test of time. Softer rocks. The name Looking Glass comes from its appearance when the sun reflects off it. Fire lookout. Cool. There's that Looking Glass Rock. It's way cool. I do love clouds, so I'm not mad about the clouds. I love the depth it gives to the landscape. Yeah, fog's worth it. It's supposed to be 30 miles, and the average speed limit is like 35, 40, so we got some more time.